I'm staring at the horizon, foreign shores in sight, but my melodies keep flying through the winter night. Let the wind carry it across the towns and the lands, so my people hear this voice, reaching out their hands. Don't you lose me now, the road back home so long. Can you hear my soul? It won't stand a single wrong. Through the static and the noise, concrete walls and storms, I will find my way back home. No questions, no alarms. Улетай на крыльях ветра, ты в край родной, родная песня наша. Туда, где мы тебя свободно пели, где было так привольно нам с тобою.
I remember passing through the quiet voice of peace. Hear the lights of foreign ones, the dreams are not the same, please. But inside my chest, that ancient rhythm still alive, like a whisper soft and clear, telling me to thrive. Don't forget your roots, don't let your light go dim. Even if the whole wide world says stay, it's warmer with us, kid. But I love the wilder wind that knows how to speak true. That's the voice I'll always trust, the one that sees me through.
Улетай на крыльях ветра, ты в край родной, родная песня наша. Туда, где мы тебя свободно пели, где было так привольно нам с тобою.
Let the years go by, let the routes all change and shift. I keep those precious moments safe, I hold them in my grip. Every new beat's like a step upon my native ground, so my heart remembers who I am, the truth can be unsound. Do you hear that call? It's stronger than our walls, pulling me back home through every shock and fall. Through the fog and highways, through the night it clear. My reply to all the cold, I love the world I hold so dear.
Улетай на крыльях ветра, ты в край родной, родная песня наша. Туда, где мы тебя свободно пели, где было так привольно нам с тобой.